So this is Samsung S8 Plus. Samsung S8 Plus. I'm going to perform hard reset guide. I'm going to perform hard reset on this Samsung S8 Plus by pressing. I'm going to use these buttons: power button, volume up, plus this button. This is a voice command button. Volume up plus this voice command button, plus together with power button. These are 3 buttons. Touch here, volume up, voice command button, and power button. Keep holding. After log this power button, keep holding these 2 buttons. Keep holding these 2 buttons. So this. After this, release the keys. Release the old keys. Now wait for the voice, for the command. Wait for the command. Now come here. Is this working? Yes, sir. What's up? Kasım çok.
Kasım madan zefeçino.
Kasım için.
Genelde kubira kesima kamdan wakasama yako. So kwa ndoto yako nokiaja mkulaga cha kitemo.
Kakata kwaka.
Kaka.
Ndaba teka charge nga nanti chizima.
Kade ka charge. Ya yesimu je yakanete tusensinga wati.
Tesensinga ya dedo. Nengo tambude kiro bro.
Yeka ndiwe kuti bantu yomba nyusi. Noto sauti jiko yale. Nenga kasinze bade nze kuchimele ya. Kaka naye ndaba tikacharginga nno ndaba kagendako naye tekacharginga. Nyinawo kyajanga ttaano naye tewalyekola neki ojjemu eryanda okyayingeko wakazi
kakyaginze kati kyaka mate nyanguwa ekijja mu mpozi. Subscribe for more